Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the fashion and beauty of one of the most beloved royal women, Kate Middleton. In this video, we will dive into her iconic style and how to achieve them, her stunning shoes collection from heels to flats, her handbag collection from classic to trendy, her beautiful smile and how she takes care of her teeth, her fashion evolution from royal engagements to casual outings, from her wedding days to her latest royal appearance. We will examine the fashion choice that make Kate Middleton a global icon. Subscribe to our channel for more royal fashion content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Kate Middleton fashion sense is a perfect blend of classic and modern, making her a role model for women around the world. Her hairstyles are always impeccable and we will show you how to achieve her signature looks. From designer heels to comfortable flats, Kate's shoes collection is unbelievable. Her handbags are always stylish and functional and we will explore her favorite brands and styles. Kate's smile is one of the more striking features and we will share her secrets for maintaining a beautiful smile. We will examine her fashion choice for royal engagements, state visit and casual outing. Kate's fashion evolution is a testament to her growth and influence as a royal woman. We will explore her favorite designers from Alexander McQueen to Zara. Kate's fashion choices are always carefully considered and we will analyze the thought process behind her outfits. So join us on this journey through the fashion and beauty of Kate Middleton. Don't miss out this royal beauty and extra. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. Share your favorite Kate Middleton fashion moments in the comment below. Let us know which royal fashion moment is your favorite and why. Follow us on social media for more fashion and royal content. Get ready for fashion and beauty with Kate Middleton. We will take a closer look at the Kate's stunning wedding dresses and her iconic engagement dresses. From formal gowns to casual outfits, Kate's fashion choices are always inspiring. We will explore how Kate used fashion to support British designers and brands. Kate's beauty routine is always impressive and we will share her secrets for glowing skin and hair. Join us as we celebrate the fashion and beauty of Kate Middleton, a true royal icon. Thank you very much for watching this video. I request all of you, if you are new here, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. Thank you very much. Take care.